All right, so I wanted to just do a quick video for those of you that are remote learners, or if you go remote, or for those of you that are even in class and maybe just prefer to submit material electronically. I just wanted to show you how to do that. So I'm going to show you an example here with period 1, Algebra 1 class. So let's say, for example, if we come in here to our classwork, the very first thing at the top, this will be released to you today, is this student information. So let's say if we click on that and we want to fill this out. So this is a PDF. Anytime you have something in a PDF that you would like to edit, what you want to do is you click on this Open With at the top, and then you're going to come down to Connect More Apps. And what you're going to search is DocHub. It's all one word, DocHub. Hit Enter, and you'll see this extension come up here, and hit Connect. Okay, you may have to add it or something like that initially if you've never used it before, but this is open on our Shikellamy devices, so you should be able to do that without any problem. So then when you do that, you can click Open With, and you'll see that that DocHub will show up there. So you click on that, and you'll need to sign in with your account. You're going to allow it to use Google Drive because you want it to save to your Google Drive. And allow this because we want it to be able to use Google Drive, okay, because that's where it's going to pull things from and send things to when it saves it. So we'll pull it up, and you can see that it will pull up the document right here, and it will allow you to edit it. So you can type, you can click on that text box and type it in there. So you can type in your last name, and you can come back to your arrow and you can move that around. If I can get a hold of it here. You can move the text box. I can't get a hold of that for some reason, but there we go. You can move that around and different things like that. You can also choose like one of these draw freehand tools, and because your Chromebooks are touchscreen, you can just touch the screen and you can write on it. This is especially helpful for your like your math work and different things like that, where you may not be able to type using the keypad, but you can use that. If you make a mistake, you can erase. You can click the back arrow, it'll undo it, or this button right here will there's eraser buttons, highlighters, there's different things up here, different tools. This will automatically save it to your Google Drive, and then you can send that to me. You can come back into your classwork, and if you look at this, well, I have to send it out to you, but when you come in here, you can submit it. Actually, I'm just going to send that out now. But you can submit that on here, and it'll show me everything that you see right here, because what happens is it just saves it as a PDF, so it'll all be right there. So you can do your notes this way, you can do your homework this way. Those of you that are remote, this may be a good option for you to do it like that. Or if we all go remote, this may be something that we need to do. Okay, so the only other option that you would have is all of your Chromebooks have a camera, so you can write this down on a notebook, take a picture with the camera, and then send that to me. But before you do that, you need to make sure that I can see it. So if you upload a picture and it's blurry and fuzzy and I can't read what's on your paper, that's going to be a problem. I won't be able to tell what is written down to give you credit. So you have to make sure that the picture is clear. So that would be your other option. You can either take a picture, save the picture, and send it to me, or like I said, you can use this DocHub. Okay? So if you have any questions about this, on how to use it or anything, we can go over it more. For those of you that are already remote, if you have questions, let me know. I can do another video, or I can answer your questions in an email or something like that if you have more questions. So let me know.